Hey guys, 𝐂𝐨𝐧𝐭𝐚𝐜𝐭 here. Welcome back to another video. In this video today, I am going to be doing a presentation of Exitus Elite and talking about how you can make money with Exitus Elite as a digital business, how you could, really position yourself to make high ticket money with high ticket affiliate marketing with this digital marketing business. All right. So again, I'm going to talk about how to start a digital high ticket affiliate marketing business. So if you're interested in how to start a high ticket affiliate marketing business with Exitus Elite, then definitely continue to watch this video. The link will also be beneath this video for you to go ahead and learn more. So anyways, welcome to my channel. My name is 𝐂𝐨𝐧𝐭𝐚𝐜𝐭. Most people call me Shin. Feel free to subscribe to this channel and turn on that little notifications bell if you want to learn more about how to make money online with affiliate marketing. So this is going to be an Exitus Elite review, and we're going to hop right into it. So let me actually hop over. Okay, so what I'm going to do is quickly go through Exitus Elite so that you understand what it is, how it works, how you can position yourself to make high ticket affiliate commissions with this online. So Exitus Elite is a standalone online training and mentoring program. It provides you with the training and tools that are necessary to promote and run a successful business online. In a nutshell, what Exitus Elite does is, again, it gives you the training, it gives you the tools, and it gives you the opportunity to make great commissions as well. So really, it's a business in a box. Okay, it's a framework for a digital marketing business. Okay, and one of the things that Exitus Elite covers is one of the main challenges that it covers in the training platform is how do you find new customers and prospects so that you can maintain a steady cash flow, which is important to run a day-to-day digital business. That's what it teaches you how to do. Okay. Now, Exitus Elite also has an optional compensation plan. So there's some people who join Exitus Elite just because they want the training on how to market in an online space, how to be able to market without chasing family and friends or spending thousands of dollars on ads, right? But then other people, they want to actually use this platform to be a reseller of this platform. And anytime someone buys this platform from them, they're able to make $500, $1,000, $2,000 commissions. So you can also make commissions from this platform as well. Okay, so it's not only a platform to help you learn and grow and profit from. You can make commissions as well. Now, there are several membership packages, and you get to pick what membership package you want, where you want to position yourself, and what hub of information you want to get access to so that you can learn and grow as an online marketer. So I want to kind of go over, these are video and audio trainings, and there's 5 different membership levels that you can earn at. The first 2 levels are called the basic levels. There's G100 and G250. Okay, these are one time for those levels, and then there's an annual membership fee. Now let me explain the annual membership fee. When you are starting a digital online business, you want a business in a box. You want pre-done capture pages and autoresponders, and you want a system is updated. You want access to webinars. The system gives you access to all those things, and they maintain those things for you. They do customer support for you, all of those things. So that's what that membership fee pays for. Okay, so for the G100 is $49 a year. The G250 is $99 a year. Okay, now the levels that I'm going to talk about, because in this video we're talking about high ticket affiliate marketing, are for people who want to make higher commissions. Okay, most people who come into Exitus Elite join at the G1000, but there's 3 advanced levels that you can join at if you want to earn high ticket affiliate commissions. There's G500, there's a G1000, and there's a G2000. Okay, these are the 3 levels for people who want to earn high ticket commissions. Okay, they want to earn higher commissions for digital products. Okay, so there's a G500, it's $199 a year for that membership. G1000, $299 a year, and G2000. Now I want you to keep in mind that this business model makes sense. The reason why is I want you to think about it. You come in, and let's say you come in at the G1000. You take $1,000 to start a digital business, to have a digital product to promote, right? Where you can learn from that digital product as well. And you make your first commission. Now, in Exitus Elite, your first commission goes to the person who sponsors you into the business, but every commission, every G1000 after that, you own it. And if you make a G500 any lower levels, you get to keep all those memberships as well. You know, you don't have to pass up the lower memberships. Okay. So think about it. You invested $1,000. Okay. You make 2 commissions, you're in profit. Okay. And then everything after that is profit. Okay. Where can you buy a digital product to be a reseller of it, or buy a product at all and make thousands of dollars off of that one-time investment? And that's why this makes business sense. It makes cash flow sense as a business model. Okay. Um, and guys, selling digital products is a multi-billion-dollar a year industry. Grant Cardone sells millions of dollars of digital training to other people. Gary Vee does the same thing, right? So there's tons of people. Oprah even has gotten into, I don't know if you guys follow the whole masterclass model where people are paying money to hear people's advice, etc., and to learn from other people. This is a multi-billion-dollar industry, and you can have that as a business model with Exitus Elite and earn great commissions. Okay. Now, the good thing is our compensation plan is fairly fair. So let's say that you're at the G500 membership level and someone comes through your business and they buy a G2000 package. Well, our compensation plan is one of the fairest out there. They're going to give you your $500 on that sale because you were positioned at 500, and then the rest of it will roll up to the next qualified person. Okay, so I think that that's fair in a lot of high ticket affiliate programs. If you don't have a G2000 membership and somebody buys a G2000, it just passes you by. It goes to the next qualified person. Okay, but in our program, they allow you to at least earn the 500 that you're positioned for. Okay, so that's pretty cool. All right, so I want to talk about what you get with the membership. All memberships include the tools that you need to build your online business. You're going to get access to lead capture pages. So like straight out of the box, you could begin promoting your business. You don't have to try to figure out, the technical aspects of affiliate marketing if you don't want to do that right away. You can brand yourself with a personal bridge page that's already built into Exitus Elite. There's built-in autoresponders with messages already tied to it, weekly webinars, stats, tracking codes, and there's even, an Aweber and GetResponse integration. Okay, so that's pretty much that. So you can, build your own list by connecting this. Okay, and then the support is very important. When you start a digital marketing business, you don't want to be taking care of customer support issues. The good thing is because, that membership fee takes care of all of them taking care of your customer service, your making sure your system is updated, right? I've been in systems before in the past where they never updated because guess what, guys? There was no incentive for the owner to ever do that. Well, because we are serious business owners and we have that membership, our creator and owners, they take pride in updating the system, making sure that we have access to webinars. This is very important. Weekly webinars and a webinar library where we can go back and watch the old webinars and learn from them about how to market in online space, and knowing that your customers actually have dedicated customer support, that you don't have to take care of any customer support issues. Okay, and you yourself also have access to customer support and a real customer support team. Okay, not an owner who's trying to do the business of being an owner and customer support, but an actual customer support team. Okay, so I want to kind of show you the tools that you'll get access to real quick. So when you come into Exitus Elite, one of the first things that you want to do is there's a getting started guide that you want to go through. It's a webinar. You're going to want to watch that webinar. It's going to tell you everything you need to know to be able to promote and make money with Exitus Elite. It's going to show you how to get up and get going. The next thing that you're going to want to do is I want to show you the marketing suite. So your marketing suite, you have access to everything that you need to promote your business. It's already preloaded with capture pages that have autoresponder emails in there. And you have a sales page already done for you, or a website already done for you. Okay, so let me just show you the lead capture pages really quick. I'm just gonna go in there. These capture pages are attractive. They're already done and put together for you. So like one of the ones that I like is like this one right here. And we'll just click on it. So you could just literally just copy your link right away. And you could go out and start promoting your business however you choose, whether offline or online. If you wanted to start, on YouTube or Facebook or whatever, and all of these strategies are actually in your Exitus Elite packages. Okay, so let's just go here. So this is one of the capture pages. And a capture page is important when you have a digital marketing business because it allows you to collect the name and email, and it follows up with people who ask for information. Okay, so that said, there it is. Okay, so you could just right away begin to follow with people who ask for information. Okay, so that's that. Let me actually. Okay, so I just want to kind of show you what you get access to. And then of course you also get access to the training that's in the package that you purchase, the membership package you purchase. I'm not going to go into that because once you go through the sales page, you will see all the membership packages. When we're talking about like making money with digital products, the thing to understand with Exitus Elite is when you join Exitus Elite, you now own a valuable digital educational product, an asset that you can sell to anyone who wants it. And when they purchase, you get to keep 100% of the profit. So if they purchase a G1000 and that $1,000 is going to you, the membership fee goes to the company, the $1,000 goes to you. Okay, which is pretty cool. And it goes direct to however you decide you want to receive payment. Exitus Elite gives you the freedom to say, I want to receive payment via Stripe. I want to receive payment via Cash App, Zelle. I don't care how you want to receive payment. If you want to see Walmart to Walmart money order, Exitus Elite allows you to be in a position to receive money how you want to direct to your bank account. Okay, which is really cool. And again, they take care. The good thing about owning and being a reseller of digital products is you don't have to have a closet full of stuff. Exitus takes care of the product delivery to your new customer. Only thing you have to do is go in your back office when they pay you and confirm that person, and then they get instant access to their back office, and that's it. Okay. So I want to quickly summarize like why start a high ticket digital business with Exitus Elite. First of all, that there's no product to create. You don't have to go find a product like e-commerce or have some money up front. You don't have to create a product. You don't have to create a coaching product. You don't have to anything like that. The product is already created, which is the membership area, the membership packages, okay, of digital marketing training. It's a proven company. Exitus Elite has been around over 8+ years with a proven track record with positive reviews from affiliate marketers. They don't hold your money. Your money is paid directly to you, which is pretty cool. The other thing about why start a high ticket digital business with Exitus Elite is it's a platform from which you can learn digital marketing skills and make $1,000+ commissions on each sale. Okay, if you're positioned at that level. What I always tell the people is, I see a lot of people join things. They join affiliate marketing programs, they join MLM, but when you join a company, that's just the vehicle. Okay, it's the way that you can make money. But if you don't know how to market online, the knowing how to market online is the gas. So it's like having a vehicle with no gas when you join things but don't know how to market. So having access to a platform like this where it's teaching you some digital marketing skills and you have the ability to make great high ticket commissions, that's the secret sauce. Okay. You also have access to weekly webinars and a supportive community through Exitus Elite. I already showed you the pre-done marketing system. If you're not a techie person, you go grab your link and you get out there and you start doing the thing, learn, apply, and teach, right? And you start plugging and promoting, okay? You also get access to my exclusive bonuses to cut your learning curve. And I'm going to go into what those are. I've been marketing successfully in the online space with digital instant pay programs. And I want, I'd like to help people cut their learning curve. So let's talk about how you do the business. Okay. You pick a training membership level. Again, you could get started the basic packages, which are G100 or G250, or you get started the advanced packages, G500, G1000, G2000. Then you get started. Okay. when you get started with one of our advanced packages, I definitely want to talk to you about your goals and how you can start with a marketing plan. And you want to market your digital business. Don't be that person who just joins something and you don't market your business, right? Give your digital business 90 days. Pick one marketing method and dominate that method and be consistent until you get results. Don't be that person who, in 30 days, you're like, oh, I quit, I give up, right? Be consistent until you get the results. Because remember that if you haven't been marketing online, it's new to you. um, the people who are seeing you market is new to them. But be consistent until you get results. The good thing is they give you the strategies to cut your learning curve so you can get results faster, and not slower. Okay, so that's it. Market your digital business. Now, I do give some exclusive bonuses, and I wanted to kind of show what those are. All members who join me, regardless of membership level, you're going to get access to what you need to know to get your marketing plan up and going, to be able to have access to answer to me to ask any questions you have throughout your journey via Messenger. And then you're also going to get access when you join with me at Exitus Elite to a team bonus that you can not only learn from, but that you can give away. It's called 3 Generations Training, where you have a multiple six-figure earner who is sharing what he knows about making it with free social media. So you're going to get access to that. Now, for anyone who joins me at the $1,000 level or above, I'm going to give you a unique course that has really it's helped so many people in the online space. You can go back to some of my oldest videos and see testimonies of people like raving about this. But you're going to get access to my instant profits course so that you can begin making money with digital instant pay programs. So you're going to get access to that, and that's me sharing my gems on how I was able to take a free platform, Facebook and also YouTube, and to be able to make instant profits within 1 hour to hour and a half a day of marketing my business and doing some very simple tasks. So that's pretty much that, and those are my exclusive bonuses. And if you're ready to get started, the link is beneath this video. Make sure you smash that subscribe button and turn on that little notifications bell. Drop a like if you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.